Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher door strike. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new door strike. The door strike works with the door latch to keep the dishwasher door closed. Main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the door is not latching properly and the dishwasher is not starting. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that you have the door open, we have access to the door strike. It's mounted right here at the top in the middle. It's just held in by a couple little tabs, one on each side of the strike. So we're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver and press down on it while we pull it on one side. Then hold it there and do the other side. Once you have them both released, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old door strike next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new one in, you just have to line it up with the opening and push it back. Just make sure that both sides snap in and it locks into place. Once you have it locked in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.